task 32, video submission. In this video, we will be designing a responsive invoice page using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and TailWind. So in this video, we will be just going through a manual HTML, CSS, JavaScript page that we have created, no programming involved. Just a few sections will be used. So to recap what we've done so far, we've created a sign in, a sign up, a user profile, a product registration, a product edit. Then we also created a watch list, some searches, and a cart, and one step or the final steps of the cart of creating an invoice when we proceed to checkout. That's what we have here. So let's move into it. So first we move into the cart, then we click proceed to checkout. Once we click proceed to checkout, we go to this invoice page that we have created. As you can see, we have an icon with our headline of our shop, skill shop. Then we have the invoice number, the date, the name of the buyer or the user who's making the purchase, with his email and his details, his phone number, his address, the amount paid. So this we will create a new section here so that we can pay through here as well. Then we have the course title, it just says course title, then instruct name, the product level, the price, the subtotal, the course documented delivery fees, and the total pay. So all of this is manually input. So first of all, as you can see here, we start off with basic HTML, CSS. So first of all, we have our head section where we have a change in our font. For this one only, we have Jakarta Sans and sans serif that we use. We also load our TailWind from here, and also give us the title with the invoice number that will be showed in our title. So as you can see here, we have the invoice and the invoice number. As you can see, we also have this function window print, which prints up the window what we have. So as you can see here, it prints our whole invoice in interactive format so that it can be used. So that is the print invoice. We can change the orientation as such. That is enabled through this function, print, output a string print, and it just prints. So as you can see here, in certain sections it says no print. So when it says no print, it does not get printed on the print. Then we have our body wrapper right here, which is a light gray background, and then we have some padding used in this division. Then we have our action bar. And from there we move on to our invoice paper, the paper that will get printed on. That is after the action bar. We have our invoice paper with like a white paper background. So as you can see, it says print shadow none, so whatever that we have on the website will not get printed. So as you can see, these shadows here do not get printed. As you can see, there are no shadows. It's just white color background because we cannot have any shadows, as it will just, if we are actually printing the invoice, it will just be based in cost. So that is that. Then we come down to our address details and payments. Nothing much to see there, just that we have added this pay here button as well, or a badge. So then we will have an href here, pay here. So we can use that to link to our pay here model, or the link will go through that. Then we come down over here. Just we have to get our date from the session, so that will be there in the footer. So as you can see, unlike the other pages, we do not have the custom header or the custom footer. Instead, we have this as a standalone HTML page. So it is not linked to anything else. So this will be standalone. and in the next ones we will program this to have the buyer's name, the seller details such as the seller details, the course title, the level, and the price. As you can see, all of this is put by us. We have put everything in manually, so those will be changed to certain variables that we can get from our database. And yeah, that is it for this video of our invoice, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.